Hey guys, so we are headed to the park, even though it's kind of a gloomy day. Looks like it wants to rain, but I promised little Miss Victoria, say hi, that I would take her to the park today. So that's where we're going. We're going to go to the park, and I'm just going to share a few strength drills that I do in addition to yoga practice. So I just wanted to share a few of the strength drills that I do, and then after that I'm going to enroll Victoria in first grade. I've been homeschooling her for her first year for kindergarten. She would have been in kindergarten last year, but if you know me personally, you know I've been homeschooling. So I homeschooled her for the first year, and now she's ready to go to school. So she passed her test. We went to our school district, our local school district, and she passed her test to enter first grade. So I'm super, super proud of her. So that's what we're doing today. So yeah, we're heading to the park now, and I'm kind of excited for Victoria to be starting school. I'm excited, and I'm gonna miss her a lot because I'm used to being with her during the day, but I'm really excited for her to be starting a new chapter in her life, starting school. And with me, I think I'm just gonna get more into teaching yoga. Maybe I can pick up a few more classes during the day. I can teach a few more classes, that way I'm free during the day, and then I don't know, maybe go back to school. I haven't decided yet, but at least I'll have that time to I don't know, better myself. Maybe take a few more classes, or maybe get a certification. I love working with computers. Maybe I can take a class getting my certification in some type of computer program. So it's just like a new chapter in our life. Victoria will be starting school, and all of my kids will be in school, so I'll have like this free time to decide what I want to do during the day. I know for sure I want to teach a few more yoga classes at a few more studios here in our area, so we'll see. And I don't know, it'll be different, all of my kids in school. It'll be really interesting. And also I'll have more time to make more videos, so I want to put a little bit more energy into my channel and create really good content, so I'll have more time to do that, so I'm looking forward to that. But anyway, we're almost at the park, so I'll see you guys there, and just show you a few of the strength drills that I like to do at home in addition to yoga. So this is a really quick no gym strength workout that you can do outside or when you're at home. Just pause the video in between each move so that you can keep up with all of your sets. So first I start with the deadlifts with upright rows. I do 3 sets of 30 of these. So I'll do 30 deadlifts, take a break, do another 30, take a break, and do another 30, take a break. So you do 3 sets, and you're bringing the weights up to your chest. And I'm using 15-pound dumbbells. And as you come up, you want to really squeeze the buns as you come back up to standing. So here I am doing 3 sets of 20 bent over rows with kickbacks. So I'm bringing the 15-pound dumbbells close to my chest, stretch them out, and then swing the arms back. And as you swing the arms back, you want to keep the arms straight. So this really works the triceps, the back muscles, the underarm muscles, the back muscles, works the chest. So I really, really like this move. Next, I'm doing weighted sumo squats, and I'll do 3 sets of 30 of these. And you want to have the legs spread wider than hip width apart, and as you come down, really squeeze the buns as you come back up. And I have the weights close to my ear, and you want to have the elbows up as much as possible. Next, I'm doing side lunges, weighted side lunges, and I'll do 3 sets of 20. So again, your legs are spread wider than hip width apart, and you're basically doing a lunge on each side, on each leg. And as you come down, make sure your knee doesn't go over your foot. That's not good for the knee. And you want to have the chest up. So holding the weight with both hands, keeping the chest up and open as much as possible. So next I'm doing alternating lunges with bicep curls, and I'll do 3 sets of 20. So I'm just stepping in front with each leg, taking turns with each side. Again, making sure the knee doesn't go over the foot, and you're bringing the weights up close to your ear. Next, I'm just doing old school military style push-ups. I'll do 4 sets of 25 of these, and I hate push-ups, but they're so effective, and they just really tone the arms and the upper back muscles, and also the abs as well. So I do 4 sets of 25. So I'll do 25, take a break, do another 25, take a break until I get to 100 push-ups. And you can also modify if you need to. You can come down onto your knees if you need to modify. So next I'm doing weighted glute bridge, and I'll do 4 sets of 25 of these. I have the 15-pound dumbbells sitting on my hips, and I'm just holding the weights, supporting the weights with my hands, and you want to have the feet about hip width apart, and you're just lifting the hips up and really squeezing the buns as you come up. And again, I'm using the 15-pound dumbbells. Feel free to use lighter or heavier weights depending on what feels most comfortable. So now I am doing the weighted overhead crunches. I'm using the 15-pound dumbbell. I do 4 sets of 25 of these. You're basically doing a crunch, and as you come back down, you reach the weight over your head. And as you come back up, this really works the upper back muscles, as well as the abs, your shoulders. So I always get these in when I'm doing my strength drills. Now I have my legs all the way up, the feet are together, and I'm doing weighted reach crunch. And I do 3 sets of 20 of these. You have the legs up, and you have one dumbbell in both hands, and you're just reaching your hands up to reach towards your toes. So this again works the abs and the shoulders as well. So now I'm just doing a basic chest press. I do 3 sets of 20 using the dumbbells, and you just basically have, when you come bring the arms down, you want to have the weights in line with your shoulders, and you just push up. So this really works the chest muscles. This move also tones the upper back muscles and the shoulder. Chest press are awesome for toning the upper body. And if you're a woman, don't be afraid to go a little heavier with the weights. Challenge yourself a little bit, because weight training really tones and sculpts the body. So thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Make sure you comment, like, or subscribe to my channel, and make sure you stay connected with me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook at Shanae Yoga. Thank you so much for watching, and you have a great day.